Spirituality is a name given to matters of spirit. These can be of any kind, of meaningful personal activity or peaceful experiences. It is a concept so people can see and understand. It is in different ways. Some people believe spirituality is a part of religion. Others who are not religious still seek and have spiritual experiences. Spirituality means communion with the God. It is concomitant relationship between guru and disciple. You can get onto the path of spirituality from any point in your life and from where you are at the time. It is your curiosity that will lead towards the path of spiritual journey. The spiritual master is our God, and we all are disciples. We all are living in a limelight of God. You cannot experience the power of inner world until you get onto the path of spirituality. The spiritual world is much different from physical world. Physical world is like a cobweb. We all are caged by them. When we quiet our mind, at a great extent, we feel the sensory vibrations is in the form of energy within us. In every phase of life, each and every person experiences a cosmic world in itself. But he can't understand because he lives in a world of ignorance. We cannot get the right intuitions at right time and they go away from us. By doing daily practice to make mind calm and quiet, the journey starts from outer world to inner world. In this path, there are many barriers we have to overcome all. We all find God in outskirts of body, but which is present in ourselves. The benefits of meditation are multiple. Through the regular practice, subtle transformation takes place in our body, mind, and in most consciousness, these benefits are right away. Other unfold progressively and take more time to become apparent. Inner peace is one of the first fruit of becoming spiritual. Along with that comes greater clarity and guidance from within. It brings knowledge how to address the problem appears in life. It brings harmony, joy and better understandings. All the CEO and all great personality talk about spirituality. When you go deeper into the spiritual world, you experience intellectual and physical benefits also. People live and die without knowing the difference between religious and spirituality. They are basically believe in ideal worship, but along with that, purity of our mind is also inevitable. The energy which is found in inner world is omnipresent. Not even born on this earth is not our main motive, but we have to improve ourselves by karma, spiritual experience, humanity, kindness to others, being all of answer we get when we acquire experiences of spirituality. India is the country where great Indians, sage and monks and yogis are present. They all are lives austere life in the limelight of his guru. You realize that all along there was something tremendous within you and you did not know. By Paramhansa Yogananda.